ए कैसे बोलते हैं? अगेन डू इट नाउ प्लीज. यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग इन अ प्रॉपर वे. स्पीक इंग्लिश. जस्ट कीप स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. दैट्स इट नाउ. Right? Start speaking English if you want to speak English. Speak wrong English, speak broken English, speak any type of English. But all of you try to speak. Clear? Let me just start now and tell you something or the other. The first important thing is that's called actually tone of voice. What is that? Tone of voice. Right? We have to just make lots of types of tones here. Just we have rising tone. All right, everybody. We have falling tone, and we have flat tone. Clear, guys? We have normally actually three types of tone here, which I have written now on the whiteboard. These are actually called the tone of voice. Now, the first one I have taken for you, that's called rising tone. Second one I have taken for you, that's called falling tone. And the third one I have taken for you, that's called flat tone. The most important thing is that actually for us to understand, to speak anything in English speaking, actually I'm talking about, you must just care and mind one thing which is very important, that's called tone of voice. Speaking को बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव बनाना है, बेटर करना है, आपको टोन ऑफ वॉइस पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा, वर्क करना पड़ेगा, so that you could improve your the way of effectiveness, exactly the way of expressing, the way of telling. You all have to just improve everything in a proper way, just only by mastering the tone of voice. Tone of voice पे mastery हासिल कर लीजिए, that will be so much better for you. I have written the three types of tone. That first one is rising tone. Rising tone is actually denoted just like this exactly. कुछ इस तरीके से denote करा जाता है. It means that first of all in the starting we have to speak something slow, then we have to just rise our tone while the speaking. Starting में हमको tone को normal रखना है, फिर धीरे करके ऐसे ऐसे करके बोलते जाना है. जैसे ना, I just want to tell all of you that please why do you not understand me? This is called rising tone. In starting, I'm trying to convince you all of you that you are the great person of the world. You can speak English. You can do anything what you want. In starting low, then try to rise your tone by the passage of time. So it will be a great actually opportunity for you to influence the people exactly, and also to make your effective speaking exactly. तो rising tone को follow करिए, जिससे आपकी effective थोड़ी सी speaking होने वाली है. And after that we have the falling tone. The falling tone is denoted just like this exactly. In the starting we have to just speak something louder. पहले starting में हमको louder बोलना है, and after that we can speak actually something slowly down. That will be the falling tone exactly. It means that firstly the sound should be something high, and then after that must be the low. Then it will be called falling tone. For example, I'm just convincing all of you that, but you don't understand these all. It's not good. You must understand everything in a proper way. That what are you doing here? Why are you coming here? What is your purpose of life after coming here? So after talk, firstly high, and then after low. It will give a great actually impact in your speaking exactly. Rising tone and falling tone. Next we have exactly जो इसको कहते हैं, that's a flat tone. Flat tone is equal to in a proper way. जैसे आप लोग देते हो speeches को. After coming here on the stage, just you try to keep speaking like this. Hi everybody, urban area is very good area because in this area there are many people, they are very happy, there are many cars, there are many roads, there are many hospitals, there are many parks. That's why people are so happy in the urban area. This is called flat tone. Here there is no ups and downs exactly. So the first and most important thing is that which you have to follow, that's actually the tone of voice. If you follow the tone of voice, it will give a great impact in your life exactly. Now let me just write here something before you. इसको डिनोट कर रहा था इस तरीके से, जो मैंने लिखा है फ्लैट टोन. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास कर रहा था इसको बोलते हैं दिस इज राइजिंग टोन. दैट इज नॉट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इसको क्या बोलते हैं? फॉलिंग टोन. क्या बोलते हैं? फॉलिंग टोन. और ये हमारे पास होता है नल, विच इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली नॉर्मल, जो हमारे पास होता है. इसको बोलते हैं दिस इज स्पोकन जस्ट लाइक ए. क्या बोलते हैं? ए. बोल के देखिए ए. सब लोग प्लीज ए. अगेन ए. इसको थोड़ा सा खींच बोलिए ए. बोलिए अगेन प्लीज ए. इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं ए. कैसे बोलते हैं? अगेन डू इट नाउ प्लीज ए. दिस वन एक्चुअली फर्स्टली लाउडर देन आफ्टर स्लो प्लीज. ऐसे बोलिए ए. आर यू रेडी नाउ? This is the tone of voice which you have to follow now on the stage if you just come for speaking. करेक्ट ना? ये होता है the tone of voice. If you follow this all, it will really give you great impact in your speaking in public speaking exactly. एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस ऑल इन अ प्रॉपर वे. हैव यू गॉट प्लीज दिस ऑल ऐसे करके.